Senpai, gather around, gather around. It's been a while. We did something like this. Wow, look at this, man. Look at all the shiny stuff. Osmosis Zone. They have done quite a bit. Remember good old days, if you've been following me? Played in all those dexes and stuff. And this is something I use basically even now. I just did a video, which is sort of a free training, which I'm gonna put it right in here, right here, Crypto for Beginners. It's gonna be 100% free, okay? I did a free training where I exactly show how I stake, what I do, how I use crypto.com, how I stake on Osmosis Zone, and if take profits, how I claim the staking rewards, send it back if I need to send it back, taking fiat money or whatever. So yeah, if you're interested, stick around. Okay, I don't want to show this right now, a lot of transactions and stuff, but just did a video on it. Okay, so it's coming. I'll release it very soon. Right now, just want to do a quick overview of the Osmosis Zone, what's happening. Look at this. And matter of fact, I mentioned about this, right? Start cooking, minting your meme coin on Osmosis with just 2 clicks. All it takes is 1 Osmo. With 1 Osmo, I can create a new meme token. Should we do this? Yeah. How about this? Let's try. Listen, I'm not going to go all the way through because transactions, I have 10 Osmo. Let's actually try. How about this? Let's do it. Okay, let's see. Bought it? Yo, what is this? All right. Prior to this, since I'm doing this impromptu, I don't know what to expect. Honestly, I just done the training on staking and all that. Not explored any of the other apps, whatnot, right? Because these are all extra stuff. They have a lot of craziness, man. Back then, I played with a lot of stuff. Look at this here. Mars Farm now. They have the Terra Luna and a lot of things here. White Veil. I played with the White Veil. Dao, which was on Juno. So I can really explore everything. Elmos as well. Can't explore everything in one place. Elmos is an interesting platform. Okay? Few things just clicked, so I wanted to show you. Elmos is most likely you can connect your wallet and restake. They help you just keep restaking, like compounding. So you can see here, it's APY, not APR. So APY is like it's auto compounded. You don't have to claim in anything. So I used to use Elmos at one point. So Elmos, so what they did in the app section is that they put all the decent apps that was built around Osmosis Zone, whatever, and in one place. Not bad. Yeah. They have Ion Dio. I don't want to touch on. Restake is pretty much same stuff. Another decent one. So Restake, I played with it. Elmos, if you're staking, those are useful. I don't use them as much as right now. Isaac, trade any token in Cosmos using Telegram. That is interesting. I said the Telegram trading assistance for the Cosmos. Okay. Again, 100% of fees go towards buying Newt and 70% of fees. I'm going to keep this away. Dao. Don't wanna. That's good. White Veil Dex. It's another Dex. Just played with a little bit. Kato instantly buy and sell crypto on board and Osmosis. That's interesting. But I rather use crypto.com or any other. This is probably the same way using a card. And Levana, nope. I remember it came out. I talked about this. I talked about it. Kasar Finance. And guess what? Most of them are pretty much down the drain. Most others who called them out, talked about the airdrops, Dime. They didn't even give us airdrops, US citizens, right? Come on, man. Anyways, glad I didn't like overshill. I was just talking about it. So this is what we have here. Stream, a launchpad for initial token sales. The next generation. This is cool. Okay. Hey, I'm launching my token, yo. Listen, I was thinking about launching my token on Osmosis Zone, like Cosmos. Most people do it on Solana and all this. So I'm thinking about doing an Osmo, like Osmosis, like Cosmos, right? So I'm learning. I mean, I love this. It's pretty cool. So we'll have a meme token and we'll have something like this. We'll also do a launchpad. How about that? Look at this. Okay, Weird Osmo, RSTA, Hava. So Stream Swap, deposit. All right, another kind of deposit from EVM, etc. Now I'll keep this aside. All right, Elmos. Talked about it. Out. Okay, so this is what we have. Oh my goodness, man. Oh my goodness. You don't know what's gonna come here. Just look at the tokens here. Bought it. MJane. RB. Yo. Liquidity is 86 cents. This liquidity is like $1,000 liquidity. Who has $1,000 to even put in this? $735. You guys are putting money into this thing. Dude. Yeah, exactly. See this? Yeah. Hey man, I'm creating my meme token for sure, for sure. Cedo 69. $425? Really? And this guy shield so much of. Okay. Yo, Poo. 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 Poo is. Poo token. Poo. New cola. Oh my goodness. Evil G. Evil G. Listen, I really don't know what to expect. I don't want any PG, non-PG 13, like extremely. All right, ladies and gents, I ain't going down, okay? Down the drain, rabbit hole right now. We already saw Poo. That itself is just, can't get over this. So number of tokens is 883. Tokens already created. Top up, connect wallet. Okay. So create. For real. Description. Oh, is it because of a brief description of your token? Maximum. Okay. Streamer, creator, and YouTuber? Brief description of your token. Is it 200 long? I don't know. Upload. All right, moment of truth. RBL, image RBL, 1 Osmo. Confirm. All right, let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. Yes, yes, yes. 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 Share on Twitter. No, in a bit. Not now. Let me first see what happened. Let's go. Swap. Let's go trade. Yes, I see it now. Show launched. Hey, come on, come on. Where is it? Oh, no. Ladies and gents, welcome to RBL. Price. Oh, wait. I have a price. Bump. Launch progress. Wait. Who'd set up everything else now? Is there any way I can change anything? No, right? We have a ticker. RBL. I kid you not. Trade. Yes. Now you can trade my token. Ladies and gents, we are back. We are so back. All right. Yep. Just letting you know, we have a token on Osmosis Zone. And no plans as of yet. But the plan is to become the ultimate streamer and the creator and the YouTuber. And then support the community, I guess. Wow. Just created my own token. Nice. All right. So we are out of this. Okay. Kind of exciting though. So yeah, I'm serious. Crazy. Wow. I just actually did this. Now, let's actually show you something else. Earn. Earn. Oh, wow. What is this? I don't do this on here. I do it on the Kepler straight up. So, like I mentioned, the training is coming. Very simple. And I'll explain everything. Stake, assets. If you look at assets here, oh, please don't comment. Portfolio, just to show you real quick. Look at this. Pika. Oh my God, it's pretty low, man. I was expecting it would be like the wormhole would take it up there, but and yeah, clearly they took 1 Osmo from my wallet. Tori, I have Tori since when? And just converted some Akash rewards to USDC. Not much, but hey, might pay the bills, right? Anyways, hey, ladies and gents, Rebel Osmo is trading. Just curious, what's your opinion on this? Be vigilant, okay? I'm extremely bullish, extremely bullish. I'll see you in the next vid. Peace.